టీఆర్ఎస్ ఎంపీ కేకే ప్రశ్నకు రాజ్యసభలో పీయూష్ గోయల్ సమాధానమిచ్చారు. ప్రతి ఏడాది వరి కొనుగోళ్లను పెంచుతున్నామన్నారు పీయూష్ గోయల్. వరి కొనుగోళ్లపై తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం రాజకీయం చేస్తోందన్నారు. ఖరీఫ్ సీజన్ తర్వాత యాసంగి గురించి ఆలోచిద్దాం, ముందు ఖరీఫ్ సీజన్లో కొనుగోలు జరపండి అన్నారు పీయూష్ గోయల్. ఇక రాష్ట్రాలకు సాధ్యమైనంత వరకు సాయం చేస్తామని హామీ ఇచ్చారు. అగ్రిమెంట్ ప్రకారమే వడ్లు కేంద్రం కొనుగోలు చేసిందని కూడా పీయూష్ గోయల్ స్పష్టం చేశారు.
The government plans to procure entire rice, irrespective of type, from the state of Telangana. And I have already got the answer from a union cabinet minister who says, I as a union cabinet minister of the government of centre say that every piece of grain will be procured by the central government. This is the stand of central. Does the government stand by this statement that whatever we produce, this is a fact? That CMR left, which you are saying, that is called marketable surplus. Whenever we are selling, we use it for our consumption and we use it for welfare programs. That is milled rice. What is left is that we are talking about. Let us not confuse the thing. We are only talking of what is left with us. Last year, you took 94 lakh tons. This year, you have taken 19 lakh tons. Perhaps you would take less. Will you at least take that 94 lakhs which you have taken last?
Year on year, the central government has been increasing the procurement of rice for the central pool. From the annexure given to all of the honourable members, you will observe, sir, that this government has increased the paddy procured for milling of rice for the central pool from 443 lakh tons in 1819 KMS to 518 lakh tons and then to 600 lakh tons in KMS 2021. I am grateful that the honourable member has acknowledged that even in the state of Telangana, we have increased the procurement from 51.9 lakh tons to 74.54 lakh tons to 94.54 lakh tons. This is the track record of the Modi government, and which is why we say that this has been the most responsive government to the farmers' interests, and the procurement under MSP operations done by the government has increased manifold, both in volume and in value. As regards the state of Telangana, sir, in the KMS 2021, which procurement is under reference, in the Kharif season, they had estimated that they will give us 50 lakh tons. What they were finally able to give was only 32.66 lakh tons. Then in the Rabi season, they had estimated 55 lakh tons. Season 1920.
There has been a doubt on Government of India regarding the quantum of rice grown in Telangana, for which officials from Government of India went to Telangana, verified what is the quota we gave, what is our projection we gave, what is the area sown. That has been verified, and it was concluded that it is almost 99.99%, it is the same. So there is no discrepancies there. That record I wanted to set it straight, sir.
Please.
Second, how did it grow so much? In the last 4-5 years, there has been a tremendous investment in the irrigation sector, which resulted in more area coming under irrigation and more area coming under paddy, sir. Now, the third point, which we have been agitating for a while the Honourable Minister's statement here is contrary to the Honourable Central Minister's statement in Telangana. Honourable Minister says we will not buy para-boiled rice because we have sufficient stock. The Minister in Telangana says that we will buy every grain of rice.
Season 1920, they had said they will give us 61.92 lakh metric ton, but they were only able to supply us 42.99 metric ton. So this is something which continues to happen. Very often you give us estimates which are pretty inaccurate or go beyond what the real supplies are. So this is something which different states face at different times, but I have not agitated.
Please.
I am answering the other member. Can I answer your own member? I'm answering his point.
Please.
So I am
Honorable
saying
Keshav Rao ji, please.
these estimates are all often given by they're all given by the state. We do a test check, the agriculture tries its best, ultimately large areas. I have appealed to the state of Telangana and all other states. They have to still give us 29 lakh tons for the current procurement that's going on. I've already given them, I think, 4 or 5 extensions, sir. It is a matter of record that again and again they come for extension. Our government has never refused it. So the fact is that we have extended all possible help and given a 3rd extension, 4th extension, and a 5th extension, as per my letter of 7th October.